Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be That Diva, and in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can turn your plain and boring t-shirt in a stylish piece. These are basically DIY styles that you can do using your accessories and other clothing piece. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you super soon with another video. Until then, love.